Hi, this is KB0TTL, and today I'll be showing you the difference between amateur and professional modes. So you just got your radio out of the box, say you're licensed to do something in the commercial bands, say you're a Mars operator, or say you do GMRS, or say you do something of the like that requires a Part 90 certified radio. Well, the mobile, the 578, as well as the 878 and 868 handhelds are Part 90 certified here for this purpose. The difference is amateur and professional mode, and these are two separate modes in CPS which can be selected. If you are in amateur mode, it is going to block out transmit functions for all frequencies that are outside of the 2 meter and 440 ham bands, or if you have our mobile, the 220 ham band will also work, but all other frequencies will be blocked out for transmit. In professional mode, those frequencies are opened up for transmit. However, when you are in professional mode, all the programmed frequencies that are in the radio have to be pre-programmed. That is, in professional mode, you'll no longer be able to program in frequencies or save channels via your keypad. Basically, you'll be able to select from the frequencies that are pre-programmed into your radio via the CPS software. And the same is true of the mobile. So what I'm going to go ahead and do now is show you how to toggle between these two modes in the software so that you're able to use your radio as a business band radio or a ham band radio. And keep in mind, if you are in professional mode, you'll still be able to talk on your ham bands. You just won't be able to program in any frequencies via the keypad. We're going to go over briefly the difference between professional and amateur mode. Basically, the way that these radios are set up is you can transmit and receive from within the ham bands when you are in amateur mode. If you are in professional mode, you can go outside of the ham bands to business band frequencies that are Part 90 approved for transmit and receive. And you can also receive the whole wide gamut of them, whether you're in amateur or professional mode. Professional mode enables the transmit function on the business band frequencies. So what I'm going to go ahead and do here is go into optional settings. We're going to go over here to other. And as you see, I already have this one set in professional mode. And this means that basically you can transmit and receive on amateur bands as well as outside of the amateur bands. We could switch this to amateur mode, which will of course limit transmit and receive to the amateur bands, and then hit OK. And as you know, none of the changes will save to the radio as final changes until you select the tab to write the changes to the radio. And this will work either on the dual band version of the 578 mobile or the handheld 878 and 878 Plus radio. What this won't work on is the tri-band version of the 578 mobile, as the tri-band version is not Part 90 accepted and is basically permanently a ham radio, ham only. So you're not going to be able to transmit outside of the ham frequencies on the tri-band mobile. In order to do business band, you're going to need to go ahead and purchase a dual band mobile from AnyTone. So that is the difference here, and this is how to go ahead and go in and set up professional mode or amateur mode on your handheld or mobile radios. Thank you again for watching, and if you enjoyed our video today, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe to our YouTube channel.